Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the color negative effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll all the way down to find the color negative effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, bring it to the beginning of the clip, grab the end of the effect and bring it to the end of the clip. I know that was a lot and fast, but you guys got to keep up. Now with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the color of the effect and the speed of the effect. If you bring it all the way up and you play this effect, you might get an aneurysm. So we're going to go all the way down to around 25. We can also add keyframes and we have a video on how to utilize that as well. So let's take a look. And there you guys have it, the color negative effect. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.